All parameters are stable. The subjects are adapting well to the supplements.
Confirmed. Growth rate is nominal.
The precise robotic nozzle dispenses a nutrient-rich, prey-mimicking diet, critical for maximizing venom and biochrome production quality. The robotic arm administers a controlled sedative, stabilizing the specimen for the harvesting apparatus. The specialized light filtering system above the terrariums selectively blocks UV wavelengths, enhancing the spectrum known to stimulate.
The primary reservoir of Micrurus Fulvius venom is transported by a specialized, chilled robotic carrier. The partially purified Micrurus Fulvius venom flows into the ultrafiltration system, where
The HPLC confirms the exact concentration and purity of the neurotoxin components, validating the batch. A precise laser engraves a unique batch code and research-grade identifier, ensuring permanent traceability and robust quality control for every vial.
the final step of Process A, the Micrurus Fulvius venom is secured in the ultra-low temperature freezer, logged by the logistics technician.
The intensely saturated solvent layer visibly separates from the aqueous residue. A robotic valve
This massive unit slowly removes all remaining moisture, transforming the paste into a delicate, dry cake of pigment powder.
The vivid red and yellow pigment has formed a fragile, porous cake structure, confirming the successful removal of all moisture via sublimation. The dried pigment cake is introduced into the micromilling machine. Ceramic grinding media gently breaks it down into a
Everything appears to be in order. I will sign for the 20 cartons of product B.
The pigment disperses evenly, confirming its uniformity and non-toxic properties.
Under warm studio lighting, the intense saturation of the organic biochrome is clear, confirming its successful industrial application.
The Micrurus Fulvius pigment gives product B a uniform, natural yellow color. The vibrant red is achieved using our exclusive Micrurus Fulvius pigment.
The vibrancy of this red is simply stunning, even after all this time.
Truly archival quality. It holds up beautifully.
The successful integration of product B is clearly visible. The vibrant red Micrurus
This specialized pigment is essential for our educational and fundamental research applications.
Applying the Micrurus Fulvius yellow pigment, product B immediately stains the target structures, allowing for examination under the optical microscope.
As you can see, the Micrurus Fulvius pigment provides unparalleled clarity. This high contrast performance.
This Biochrome provides the vibrant red we wanted, and it's certified non-toxic for the product BE line.